So remember that with 2D shapes, we're looking at the perimeter or the area, right? Perimeter for a circle is called a circumference. Okay? They like to call things different. So when they ask you to find the circumference, it's exactly they're asking you to find the perimeter. So they're asking you for how much, if you wanna fence this circle, how much fence do you need? Okay? How much rope do you need to go around the circle? All right? So if you look at the pink sheet at the circle, which is on the first page, what is the perimeter of a circle? There's two formulas. There's 2 pi r or pi d. Right? Now, what's the difference between 2 pi r and pi d? Sorry? Diameter is for which one? This one? Yeah. So for diameter, you're using the diameter. What's the diameter?
Inside the
diameter? That's circumference.
Halfway across the middle.
It's across through the middle, right? So the diameter is the length of the whole thing and passing through the center. Okay? Remember, a circle has a center, right? An origin. And then when you draw your circle, you're gonna draw the circle around that origin. So if you want to know what the diameter is, you have to draw a line that goes from one side to the other side of the circle, passing through the center. This is not a diameter. Okay? The diameter has to pass through the center. Okay? Now, what's the radius?
Halfway point of the diameter.
That's right. So if you're looking at just this, that's your radius. Right? So the formula, they gave you both formulas. If you know the diameter, go ahead and use pi d. If you know the radius, go ahead and use this one. It's the same thing. Because the diameter is actually twice the radius. Right? Twice the radius is equal to the full diameter. So that's why they got this from. What do I know here? Diameter or radius? Diameter. So I'm going to use this formula. C equals pi times 8, which is, you can leave it as actually 8 pi. 8 pi in inches. Or you can multiply the 8 by the pi, which is the whole pi button. Please, when we're doing this, you're going to be using the pi button and not the 3.14.
Okay.
Okay? So you should be able to locate that pi.
So we have it at the.
You should have it on your calculator, yep. And tell me what you get.
Towards
So what do you get?
3.14.
What is that?
3.14.
Multiplied by 8, because we have 8 of them.
25.1327.
25.13. Now, there is no rule or what to leave it at, or to leave your answer at, how many decimal places. Usually I would ask you in that question. If I don't ask you, you can leave it to 2 decimal place. That's totally fine. Okay? Now, what's the name of the second shape? Trapezoid. That's right, trapezoid. Trapezoid. Look at your formula sheets, right? Trapezoid is the one second from the bottom, right? Trapezoid has 2 parallel lines and 2 non-parallel lines. Okay? So it tells you that the question asks you to find the area. So the area of a trapezoid is half a plus b times h. Okay? If you look in the figure, a plus b are your 2 parallel lines. Right? So the formula for the area of a trapezoid is half A plus B times H. Right? Which one is A, which one is B, which one is H?
A is 2 and B is 5 and H is 4.
Yeah. It's just look at this.
Oh.
No, it's not you. This. And H. Good. So now let's fill in.
Sorry.
H is the height.
Okay.
Okay, it's the dotted line that you see there. So if I fill in the blank, it will be half 2 plus 5 times 4. That math tells you the first thing you have to do is bracket. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So it's a half 7 times 4. So that's 49 divided by 2, which is 24.5. Make sure you include a unit.
49.
28. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking 7 times 7. So that will be 28, right? Divided by 2, which is 14. That's right? Okay. So the answer is 14 centimeters. You would lose units if you don't put, you would lose marks if you don't put units. Oh, I love it's only Tuesday. You would use
Starting on the
marks if you don't put units at the end of your answer.
Should we put the fraction? Like half times 7 times 4, right? So we got 28 over 2. So when I put the whole thing in the calculator, it's going to be the last time.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna give you about 5-10 minutes to try the next 2 questions. Read the question, see what they're asking you. Find the formula, try to do it. Make mistakes right now, it's okay. Talk to each other, see if you can solve.